Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu, so la ngithanda ukuphendula umbuzo womntana wedlozi othe thokoza gogo, ngicela ukubuza ukuthi ama symptoms wesilwane, can they change to umoya womdawe, right? They cannot change to umdawe, but isilwane siyakwazi ukuthi siziyenze ngathi idlozi. That's why now there's confusion, or there's a lot of people who are talking about people who are twasing, which were never supposed to twasa. They were told ukuthi banedlozi, they were told ukuthi banebantu abadala kanti kwakuyisilwane leso. And that's why people are told ukuthi before you jump and conclude that unedlozi, noma wena uhamba uthathe izikhwama zakho uye entwasweni, communicate, form a bond, and ask your ancestors. Because kufana nokuthi iBhayibheli kunalalithi lokho okwenzayo uzokwenzisisa phezu kwesibusiso. Remember, if you uthatha i-tin fish, then iku market, kuleyo market kuyenzakala ukuthi kube nephutha elenzakalayo, ukudla kube contaminated. Once that tin is sealed, meaning leyo nto engaphakathi ivalelwe, it's sealed, kungaba iphela, kungaba intuthwane, kungaba anything that esilwe lapha. Ma umfundisi ugqotshwa, uanointa based on what you have. And if umfundisi uanointwa and uyafeba, uzofebisisa. If umfundisi uanointwa and ubulungile, uzolunga, right? If unabantu abadala, then or let's say for instance with what you're asking about isilwane, unesilwane awuna bantu abadala, I can't say awunadlozi because everybody has idlozi, but now in this sense we're talking about idlozi in terms of somebody who's gifted, who's got a gift. Now if wena uya entwasweni, usho ukuthi uyothwasa lesilwane, uyasikhulisa lesilwane, mawuliphuza uliphalaza, you are feeding lesilwane, siyakhula. Yebo umuntu uyaba nama symptoms angathi ama symptoms odlozi kanti ama symptoms wesilwane. Ungaphupha ubeletha ingane kanti isilwane. Iphupho lokubeletha ingane can symbolize isilwane. Iphupho lokubeletha ingane can symbolize ukuthi you are giving birth to isipho sakho, to your gift. Ungaphupha uncelisa ingane, breastfeeding a child, kanti uncelisa isilwane. It can be that uyafundiswa how to take care or how to grow your gift. There's a thin line. You have to now question idlozi lakho. Umuntu angaphathwa ke akathwareke emafufunyana. Yay! Scream kanti isilwane akusidlozi. There's a thin line. But isilwane asishintshe sibe umdawu. Umdawu uyohlezi umdawu, isilwane kuyohlezi kwisilwane. Right? And isilwane siyakwazi ukuthi sikhishwe. Ngasikipha ngokuthi uhambe uyofemba, bakhiphe sona. Abantu abanomdawo, ungakwazi ukuthi uye kwinyanga, ungakwazi. People heal differently in different ways. Now, advice that I can give you, isilwane feeds on a lot of meat. So mawuke watshelwa wena ukuthi unesilwane or mangabe wena susho ukuthi unesilwane, avoid meat. That's why nanoma isilwane silwiswa, there's types of foods njengoba ngisho ukuthi that you have to ungasaphinde uzidle, because the more udla lokudla usipha lesilwane amandla, but the more you move away noma you shy away from eating certain like meats, then lesilwane siphelelwa amandla. I don't know if you understand. Ungaphupha having sex, yes, umdawo nedlozi futhi leli wasebenzise lawo maphupho, especially umdawo. Kanti kwesinye isikhathi you have uphupha kanjalo kanti yilesilwane, you sleeping with isilwane esithunyelwe kuwena, ulaliswa naso, it feeds on that. Kwedlozi most of the time angisho komdawo, kwedlozi mawunedlozi ayifiki nokuthi uyenza ucansi, or maybe umuntu uzofuna ukulala nawe umbone ephupheni, or umalume wakho afuna ukulala nawe or ubani, kanti they are trying to tell you that there's this spirit that is trying to form a relationship with you, that is trying to get personal with you, that is trying to connect with you. And if on the dream you see yourself fighting, it might be ukuthi they are showing you that we are trying to connect with you, we are trying to get close to you, but you are resisting, you are fighting, right? And also it might be ukuthi you are fighting because vele it's a bad dream, isilwane. You understand? Ungaphupha there was a time okay, all these dreams I once had them, but there was a time ngaphupha ngibhekene ne-ex yami kanjena, and I'm like, what are you doing wena lana? Like, then this guy kissed me. Mangabuza, I was so shocked. So while trying to process why are you kissing me, wathatha isandla sakhe lo mfana wangibamba la phambili wathi bese wanuka, then wangihleka wabaleka. Child, I was so offended, mangivuka lapha ngangikwatile ngithi why, but now yes I was offended, but till I got to understand the dream, because mata tugenza leyo nto then ngezwa ama-prompita diphala, people singing, music everywhere, pianos, you know, all these things, you know, violins, and mangithi there comes the president of the country, abantu bamlandele, then bavula indlela yakhona, he was walking through it, and wangibamba ngesandla wathi masambe, then magathi masambe, we walked through that, then ngafika phambi kwabanye abomkhulu, they were having a meeting on a round table, amakhehla, then mangifika they gave me a message, the message of which I will not say, then bangifundisa this other poem, right? So literally they were telling me about who I am. So kimina umoya wamakhosi was showing in that way, basebenzise lo mbuso be-ex yami so that bangitrike, but they wanted to test ukuthi am I clean, am I ready ukuthi ngihlangane namakhosi, because umoya wamakhosi awuzwane nawo nokungqola. Because I remember at that time I had months ngingambanthani nomuntu wesilisa, so for ukuthi ngiyohlala namakhehla etafuleni, they had to check ukuthi am I clean, am I fit. So if maybe bebathole ukuthi ngingcolile, probably that dream would have not continued. But now bayibonise ngendlela ebuhlungu kimina that offended me, but it is what it is. Iphupho, you must learn to